Good morning, my dear children. In this module, we'll discuss about the long run production function. So far, we have discussed about the short run production function, and it is known as the law of variable proportions. Here, that is the long run production function is named as a returns to scale. So the function is given as production function P equals f of LC. If both factors of production, labor and capital are increased in same proportion, that is, the production function will be rewritten as P1 equals f of XL XC. So what it means, children? I told you that in the short run, the output is only the function of the variable factor, because we know that in short run all the fixed factors are kept constant. Here in this, the production function P equals f of L and C, that is, it's a function of both labor and the capital. Here all the factors are varied. So the output is what? Determined by the two factors combined, that both what? Land as well as the labor and the capital. So it is written as P1 equals f of XL and XC. Returns to scale, we can see three returns are there. As if in the law of variable proportions, three stages are there. Here also we can see that it is in the form of returns. That is, first one is increasing returns, second one is constant returns, third one is diminishing returns. These are the three returns in this returns to scale. First one is increasing returns to scale. Here, if all inputs are doubled, output will also increase at the faster rate than double. We know that we have to combine the inputs to produce the output. So here, in this increasing returns to scale, if all inputs are doubled, that means if we are applying the inputs in a double manner, the output also increases, but it is more than double. And the reasons for the increasing returns to scale is the strategies that we have adopted in our company. The division of labor, specialization, and the external economies of scale. These are the three reasons for this increasing returns to scale. So children, that is division of labor. These are the different strategies to increase the profitability of the institutions or the companies. Next one is constant returns to scale. If all inputs are doubled, the output will also double. What is that? What is the difference in that means? The how much inputs that we apply, we can reap the output also in that same manner. If all inputs are doubled, then the output will also double. And the reason for this is the economies of scale is balanced by the diseconomies of scale. That is, economies of scale means what are the advantages that arises in that company is balanced by the disadvantages also. So that's the reason for why it is constant returns to scale. The next one is diminishing returns to scale. If all inputs are doubled, output will be less than doubled. So it is contrast to the increasing returns to scale. In increasing returns to scale, what the inputs that we apply in double means that the output also increases but more than double. Here, if all the inputs are doubled, the output will be less than doubled. That is diminishing returns to scale. And what are the reasons for that? Internal diseconomies, external diseconomies. These are the two reasons for this what diminishing returns to scale. So children, this is actually the short run production function, a law of variable proportions, and this theory, this is returns to scale, is long run production function. And in the same manner, here also what increasing returns, constant returns, and diminishing returns. And so far we have explained about all these returns also. So children, I hope this video session is clear for you. Thank you children for attending this session.